Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World. I am back with another video. This is another informative video. I'm letting y'all know. I try to get this out as quick as possible. I'll let y'all know about the CP3 13s, 12s. I'll let y'all know about the CP3 12s going live on the Finishline app, because y'all know they do 2 week in advance reservations, a week in advance notifications if you hit on your sneakers or not. If you've reserved your pair, I reserved my CP3 13 12s, and I'm going to let y'all know about another pair. The Raptor 4s are officially live right now on the Finishline raffle. Hope all of y'all get y'all ticket in. Hope all of y'all hit, including myself. I actually want the Raptor 4s more than I want these CP3s. But if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to announce the winner for the $30 gift card giveaway finally. I'm going to put all the names in a randomizer. I'm going to record it, and I'm going to announce the winner at the end of this video. So y'all stick around. Hey, if you're new to the channel, why aren't you subscribed yet? I gotta start getting my viewers to become subscribers. I looked at my numbers, and everybody that watches my video almost everybody who watches my video is not a subscriber. They're just casual passersby. So I gotta find a way to bring you guys into the family. I need to make y'all part of the squad. So anyway, let's get to the announcement of the winners. Get your tickets in on Finishline as well. All right, y'all, so it is officially time to announce the winner of the $30 gift card giveaway to a sneaker store of your choice. Well, out of the 3 that I gave you before, you get Foot Locker, you get Champs, or you get Foot Action. Thank y'all. Now that I'm actually announcing the winner, I'm over 400 subscribers. I think I'm at like 417 or something like that at the time that I'm making this video. So that's 117 more since I even made the 300 subscriber video. So thank y'all for continuing to rock with me. If y'all new to the channel, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button down in the corner. Hit the notification bell, because I randomly upload videos, whether it's once a day, once a week, 2-3 times a week. You just never know. Whenever I'm doing something, or me and my son are doing something, I'm uploading a video. But I know y'all not here to hear me ramble about that. I just wanted to thank y'all right off top. Everybody that commented and followed the instructions in the 300 subscriber video has been loaded into this random name picker. So I'm going to hit this pinwheel, or whatever it's called, and whoever it lands on, I will be in contact with you, man. Good luck to all of y'all. Thank y'all. Be ready for my next video. Come back. Keep rocking with your boy. LP Squad. You are the winner of the $30 gift card giveaway, man. Shout out. LP Squad comments on almost every one of my videos anyway, man. I appreciate all of y'all for continuing to rock with your boy. Hey, until next time, you know I'm throwing the L up. OVE!